I'm hungry. You hungry?
Yes, what do you need?
I really feel like eating some chicken right now. What about you?
Yeah, me too.
Nice. Oh wait, I just remembered.
What?
I'm vegan, so I'm against animal abuse. So I can't consume dead animals and stuff.
Oh yeah, I don't eat birds anymore.
Damn. Poor us. I really feel like we're the victims now in this situation. Like, if you can't just eat whatever or whoever you want, that's like mistreatment. You know what I mean? If you can't have a victim, you kind of are one, right?
But did you know there is a app which helps you to find vegan food? That's called Happy Cow. And here, see?
Wait, I get it. The cow is happy because her babies aren't being kidnapped. And she isn't, murdered.
Yeah, I suppose there's something to be happy for. Not those horrible things happen to you.
Yeah. Oh well. Vegan food it is. No chicken for us.
Oh, hold on. There's a place called Dirty Vegan, and they sell something that called chicken. It's spelled a bit different, but I think it's looks like the same thing.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. Are you seriously telling me that I can still get the taste of chicken in my mouth without having to pay for hens being locked inside of rape dungeons? I mean, breeding sheds where they can't escape the roosters and they all get sick and die? And without paying for innocent, cute baby birds with blue eyes being murdered on assembly lines or in gas chambers after a short life of misery and pain?
I don't know. Looks like you can. They have a good review.
Well then, why aren't all chicken lovers doing that instead? People who still eat chicken and claim to love that something that used to be a someone who they paid someone else to murder for them.
I don't know. Maybe habit, culture, lack of information, or maybe apathy, or just they're in denial.
Yeah, those are good reasons. I guess that justifies it then. This fake-ass vegan chicken better be as good as they say. I'm telling you, if the difference in taste is more than like 15%, I just don't see any other solution for us than having to go back to torture and kill birds again.
Guess so.
I mean, I don't exactly remember how the real thing tastes anymore anyway, but still, it better taste the same.
Well, let's go and find out.
Yeah. 3 episodes of death coming at you in a tasteless form of hurt.
I'm out not teach, Rasta no eat. Hey, it's them Babylon there with them dead carcass there with them a supply. A lightning and thunder.
Hey, here's your order. It's all bloody, covered in shame. Yeah, the slaughterhouse with 4 numbers, your name.
Yeah, I hate this place, the urine, the pain. They try to clean, but can't get rid of the stains.
Why they do
so
that?
full of life, next minute she dead. I never could figure out this blood spilling in vain.
And they call it my work, yo, they give me the blame for more than next million insane killings a day. With machines sent straight from hell.
Stabbing your face, Norman Bates Motel. Death traps and kidnaps, cows and pigs that
lay wide open on the floor with big rats.
Oh, no.
running around, germs having a field day.
Bacteria's all over the steel blade.
Spreading meat through the meat industry.
I'm them.
I bet you're not pleased to meet me.
It's
murder. Supplying bloody meat for the fast food world.
Yeah.
Yes. Murder. Supplying bloody meat for the fast food world.
Yo.
I say murder.
Right.
So here we are at the Dirty Vegan, about to try some vegan chicken.
It's not to get the food from Dirty Vegan, but the place is Barcode Street Food.
Yes, Barcode Street. We got food from the Dirty Vegan for a Dirty Vegan. Which burger you want to try first? We tried two different... or we want to have the chicken strips first. Okay, I'll have a chicken strip.
Can we have some spoon or something?
Fork maybe?
Yeah.
I can check, I'll just try first.
Okay. Good? Get some fork.
Yeah. I will see your reaction first.
Really nice.
That was...
Like really meaty.
all sarcasm aside, guys, this was really tasted really like as how I remember chicken. I'll get some forks. Be right back. Okay, so which burger you want to try first? One is the Tasty Crocker, one is the Garlicious. This is the garlic one, I think. So you have the Tasty Crocker.
Whoa. I think till now, all the burgers that they said this is the best.
Best burger you tasted?
Yeah.
At Max Burger they also have something called crispy no chicken, which I really also like and I can recommend, but this was even better, I'll say. Maybe because of all the extra stuff in the burger as well, but
Yeah, the sauces.
yeah. Okay,
See,
now
this is bacon, a fake bacon.
fake bacon. Okay, now we'll switch and I'll try the other one.
Which one do you like most?
Hard choice, they were both really
Yeah.
really good, but maybe I think I like the garlic one slightly better.
I think so. Me too.
You do?
Yeah, because this is really good, but the sauce is just a bit sweet for me.
Now we're just nitpicking. They were both really good, but I was saying Garlicious was slightly better.
This is the best.
The strips, you like the strips best?
And also with the jalapeno and everything, spicy.
And this also just proves the point I was trying to make in this video, that like you can still get food that tastes like chicken without harming any chickens. And if you don't want to eat out like this in the stores, they have Vivera has schnitzels and planteklubber. There's also a company called VFC, Vegan Fried Chicken. I don't think they've been established in Norway yet. I hope they do soon. But until then, we have this. And the ironic part of this is like you can get the taste of chicken without eating chicken. The taste doesn't actually come from the bird. You can use many of the same spices to make stuff that tastes similar. We've also tried making cauliflower chicken. I think it was the sweet potato souls recipe we used on YouTube. So there's really no need to keep harming birds.
Start to get withdrawal symptoms all of a sudden at the chicken. I wonder what they are the chicken. Make them can't stop the chicken. Them houses tell me about the chicken, Lord. Chua white meat, them think it's okay. I know some people eat the chicken every day. Them love the taste, that is what they say. But it's not really the chicken make it taste that way. Chop make we go down in the reasoning. I know the chicken at the vegetable seasoning. Without the veggie you'd never ever feed on him. You eat it raw and it's a thing you never eat again. Cause them your chicken nowadays is not the chicken of old. Them the chicken of old was called common fowl. From the day that they match until the day they sold. Them they nowadays chicken only 7 weeks old. Like the chicken.
Enclosed facility where hens are repeatedly raped where roosters are just exhausted and they're dying on the side of the feces rack here. Human beings are the monsters who create facilities like this, torture facilities. You put these places in business whenever you eat animal products. Chicken breasts, you know, innocent bird, born into facilities like this, suffered the most horrible death so people can have chicken wing, chicken sandwich.
They just spend their lives sitting on their own excrement, and as a result of that they get a lot of lesions.
There is a link. The bacteria, do you remember bird flu? Tuberculosis and the salmonella too. So don't make the system come and fool you. Better you know what you are doing with the chicken. Then say then why miss the chicken?
People call vegans extreme. This place is extreme. Eating out of places like this is extreme. Supporting places like this is extreme. Why would you put a bird in so much pain and suffering and misery just so you can have a chicken sandwich? Please think about what's happening down the supply chain, guys.
Them also tell me about the chicken. I wonder why not the chicken. Make them can't stop the chicken, Lord.